So guys, this is Gail of 876 Documents and I have amazing news. Jamaica is getting a new passport. You heard it here first. We are getting a new passport. So now we've had a hardcover, another hardcover, a big blue, the one I love to call big blue. And then we had a burgundy. I think we had two burgundies, but let's just say we had one burgundy. So hardcover, big blue, burgundy, blue small, and then we had a dark blue, which is the one we currently have, the dark blue machine readable. This makes 7. Now this is an enhanced passport. This one will have a chip and it is way more secure. You just scan it because like there are 149 countries that already have this passport and Jamaica has joined them. Yay! Now what I don't know is it has a chip. Is it a card like the enhanced driver's license we have in New York, or is it a book? It may sound like a silly question because I just don't know what it is. I can't imagine us carrying a passport card because we lose our passport so easily. Imagine if it's an actual card. But anyway, it has enhanced security features. It is going to be a universal passport, not meaning you can go anywhere, but it is in keeping with the style and the trend of passports in other countries in the world. I have so many questions. First of all, you do not have to renew your passport just because there's a new one. You may use your passport for the duration of the time you have on it. However, if you are getting a new passport, you will be getting the enhanced one. As far as I know, the enhanced one does not cost anymore, and it starts at the end of March. Now, I want to know if I do have one that has more than a year left on it, can I get the enhanced one still? Is that a thing? I have so many questions. I'm so excited, but you heard it here first. And this is Gail of 876 Documents. Tell a friend. Thank you for watching.